sa kung kaya. Kanta sila nila rin. Along ba kayo to?
This is like the flood affected area in Achnithang, and you can see the mountain peaks, and the downside is all drawn with the water, and you can see the effect of it. That is like place in the village side which is affected in 2010, and see the river, and the river is like very small, and from there or from here to there to the monastery there is like 100 of houses located nearby this river. Now the people are marched here. This is like start with the new settlement of the Achnithang, and the people now settling here after that flood affected in that mountain side. And this is all the villages, people are settled here, and there are like total more than 100 houses now, and they have met with the like good farmhouses with the farm and the houses together. And if you like to explore in this Sham Valley, there you can find the homestays and the guest house in July, August. And in 2010 there was like a very big flood came in this village, and all the villages were settled in new place. After 2010 they were like came here and then settled down. It was very unfortunate to hear from my mother, and this is the like shumpa we used to say, and they have a small plant of it because this smell is protect our home from like evils and the smell, bad smells, and also as like a spiritual power is in this plant. So this plant is very powerful in our religious book. And this all are the farms with the apricot farms and apple